Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am just out here watching the sunset and it is so beautiful. Well, my son and his friend are working on their trucks, so it's kind of loud. But it's really pretty and my camera zooms really nicely. Isn't that pretty? I hope you guys can see the colors as vibrant as they are on my end. So, as darkness settles over the garden, I have been out here harvesting and harvesting and harvesting, and I am absolutely exhausted from canning, and I have so much more to do. But I thought I would hop on here and say hi to everybody. Sorry about that. I'm going to try to walk away from where they're working before there's any profanity. Because you know, when you hear metal, hammers hitting metal, there's bound to be something go wrong. Hang on, let me unzoom you. Oh, see, now the dog's going to get all worked up. So as peaceful as it is out here, it's not that peaceful. It's kind of funny because I tend to do my videos when no one's home. Because otherwise, I don't know, it just doesn't work out. Especially mechanics. They say the damnedest things when they're working. And, you know, it makes it really hard to... Oh, I just walked through a spider web. Oh, I hope it's not on me. My goodness, that was thick. That's the only thing about coming to walk out here at this time of night. And first thing in the morning when I come out, there's often cobwebs that I have to walk through. But let's see. Let's see the sunset. Because it looks so pretty. And other than the dog barking... So what do they say? Red sky at night is a sailor's delight. And red sky in the morning is sailor take warning. Did you guys know that? It's an old saying that I learned when I used to have sailboats. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you for coming and sharing this wonderful moment with me. Thank you so much for all your kindness and support of my channel and sharing your content. I've been watching so much content and I love you all so much. You are all so unique in your own ways and you know, your content is meaningful and you know, we all have a reason to be posting on here. Sometimes as mundane as it can seem, it can lift somebody else. So everybody take care. Thank you for coming by my channel. And that's it. Bye-bye.